Class 10 Geography, Chapter Manufacturing Industries in India. There are agro-based industries as well as mineral-based industries. Generally speaking, the process of transformation of natural resources into a finished, ready-to-use product, example, sugarcane, juice is made into sugar, wood pulp into paper, iron ore into steel, crude oil into petrol, diesel, shrubs, seeds, flora, and fine chemical into pharmaceuticals or drugs. Need for rapid industrialization in India. As per the latest census, the Indian population has crossed 1 billion. Therefore, India cannot support its masses on agriculture alone. Besides, industrialization also promotes and supports agriculture. The problem of unemployment is increasing with increase in population. Industrialization is the only solution which provides employment on a large scale. India has to keep up with the advanced technology and enter international trade, which is possible only through rapid industrialization. India has to reduce dependence on foreign countries and become self-sufficient if it has to enter international competition. For national security purposes, India has to promote the industries which cater to defense departments. Classification of industries. Industries can be classified on the basis of source of raw materials, management, size, and others like location and nature of product. On the basis of raw materials, there are two types of industries: heavy industries and light industries. Heavy industries, example, iron and steel industry, locomotives and automobiles. Light industry, example, electronic goods, TV sets and sewing machines. On the basis of source of raw material, industries can be classified as agro-based industries, mineral-based industries, animal-based industries, and forest-based industries. Agro-based industries are those which depend on agriculture for the supply of their raw materials, example, sugar industry, jute, cotton, vegetable oil, and food processing industries. Mineral-based industries receive their raw materials from minerals, example, iron and steel, aluminium, cement, and shipbuilding industries. Animal-based industries depend on animals for their supply of raw materials, example, woolen, silk, dairy products, poultry, hides and skins, and leather industries. Forest-based industries receive their raw materials from the forest products, example, paper, cardboard, tanning of leather, lark, and timber industries. On the basis of management, industries are divided into private sector industries, public sector industries, joint sector industries, etc. On the basis of size, industries are classified as large-scale industries, medium-scale industries, and small-scale industries. Textile industries. Textile is a broad term which includes all the 5 fibers: cotton, jute, wool, silk, and synthetic fiber. The textile industry of India is the first manufacturing industry in India. The textile sector occupies an important place in terms of employment generation. It is the oldest among the modern manufacturing industries. Other mineral-based manufacturing industries in India are mineral-based, that is iron and steel industries, which include TISCO, that is Tata Steel Company, Rourkela Steel Plant, Visakhapatnam Steel Plant, petrochemicals and electronics. Here ends this chapter.